going on, guys? It's Odie. Welcome to my crib. Come in.
What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, and I have the man, the myth, the legend, ODI production. So if you guys haven't checked him out already, huge in affiliate marketing. If you guys don't know what that is, feel free to Google it, and then after you Google it and you're amazed about how this can create a passive income, click that first link in the description and check out his YouTube channel. Amazing quality content when it comes down to, if you want to learn from the best, then you got to make sure that you work with the best. So before we get started, do you mind if you introduce yourself?
So my name's Odie, and first off, I want to thank you, Rick, for having me on the channel. And so me and Ricky were talking yesterday, and we have pretty similar backgrounds and upbringing, actually. Yeah. There's a lot of overlap. So my parents immigrated here from the Philippines. So I'm a first-generation American, but Filipino-American, you're Mexican-American. Yep. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And we both actually went to college. Yep. I went to UCLA for actually... I dropped out my senior year, so I was a fourth year in college when I decided to, take the risk to go full-time into affiliate marketing. And it's this business model that I found when I was in college, and I just thought it was the greatest thing ever for me, because it's just being able to recommend products and services that you already love and use and make a commission. I was like, sign me up. So exactly. I fell in love with the business model, and I just went all in, and just that's what I've been doing for pretty much 7 years now. But full time for the last 3 or 4 years. I like that. So yeah, and then today, just working on getting the word out on affiliate marketing. So I really appreciate being on a platform like yours and being able to talk about my favorite business.
I think that's one of the most beautiful things about true entrepreneurship, right? It's not just limited and trying to learn about this market that you specifically excel in, but also networking with other people that excel in other areas and seeing how if there could be in any way a complementing partnership by both of you guys working together. So if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, before you come up with assumptions or develop your own opinions of it, learn a little bit more about it, see the series of different businesses that you're running, and see if it can act as a positive catalyst that can actually drive more business and more revenue for what it is that you do. So in very simple terms, can you give us an explanation on how affiliate marketing has changed your life?
Affiliate marketing for me is what basically just gave me the freedom to have this basically vehicle for wealth where I used to work a 9-to-5 job. Even after I dropped out of school, I still was able to get a job. Yeah. And the problem is when you work within the constraints of a normal corporate job, you trade your time for money. Exactly. And so when I learned that you can create systems online, and so a system or a machine can be a website, right? And if you sell something through your website, and with affiliate marketing, it's literally just an affiliate link, then that can just be passive income, because once it's up there, and if you can get traffic, then if people are clicking your link and buying that product, and again, some of the biggest companies in the world, Amazon, Apple, Google, all have affiliate programs. So it's it's everywhere, and most people just don't really realize it. Most people are actually doing affiliate marketing, they just aren't getting paid for it yet.
And I don't think people do it the effective way. Yeah, if I can share my honest opinion of when people share and spam their affiliate links, they do it in non-correlating or topics that have nothing to do with what that affiliate program or service has to deal with. And I think that's what you do so beautifully, is that you develop, like you said, this series of different vessels, these different websites that drive traffic for specific topics. You make sure that whatever affiliate service or whatever service is then referred, right, is something that would be of value to those specific people that are being driven to that website.
Yeah, the key is to find people who are about to make a purchase decision and help them make that purchase decision to buy that product. Yeah. And I only go after people who truly can benefit from a said product. I don't try and sell something to everyone just because I make money from it. Yeah. I give people all the options, and through that, people are able to make a more informed purchase decision, and that's how I've been able to be successful with affiliate marketing.
Yeah, and I think that based off the conversation that we had, there's the paid with being able to run ads, and then there's the organic where you actually create content, right? That will organically get the people that are actively searching for specific solutions. Yep. And then you're the one that's going to be able to provide it for them by being able to rank them. And I think that's, again, an amazing thing that you have done, is you're someone that really values that passive income. And I think it's amazing, right? With what it is that you choose to do with your time, it really comes down to you value your time so highly, and it allows you to do with what it is that you want with your time, right? And I think that's the amazing thing. It's not even about doing it in this extreme skill. I think that you've done and developed an amazing like system that I don't know if everyone can. You're very disciplined and very structured, so I don't know if everyone can do that, but I do believe that, you know, by being able to use the systems that like you preach within your videos and within the content that you share, that people can just then begin to, even an extra $500 or an extra $5,000 a year can be something that can really get the ball rolling. And you know, just asking yourself the question, what would you do with an extra $500 a month, right? And how is it that you can not start making an extra $500 a month, but then scale to that point to, you know, create this series of different vessels that can then get you to that point? What would be one piece of advice that you would give for someone that is just getting started?
Okay, if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, I would really focus on creating and building like a brand and like building an actual system, because so most affiliates, they don't really create like a business, they just stay an affiliate, right? And an affiliate is basically just a glorified salesman. Like if you're an affiliate, you know, you get your affiliate link. So that's why so many people do bad, is because they just try and put their link everywhere and just hope and pray that they get a sale, but it just doesn't work like that. Like, you know, we both have Facebook groups, we see people trying to spam their links, their affiliate links, and trust me, that conversion rate is 0.0%. It's like negative, you know what I mean? Like it's not gonna work.
You'll get blocked.
Yeah, exactly. You will. So basically, I think what's really important is that you focus on long term. So you want to build an actual business. Now, how do you make a business out of affiliate marketing? You have to create something like a website or a brand. And it doesn't mean a personal brand, because my best affiliate marketing success has come from me not sharing my face or my name or anything. And that's how like ODI Productions came about, because when I got into affiliate marketing, it's because I didn't want to be on camera. Like I didn't want to be like a personal brand. So with affiliate marketing, you get to be that producer behind the scenes. You get to, you know, either make content and basically be behind your brand. So whether it's like a logo, a website, you can be like behind the scenes and still be able to give value to people, help them make purchase decisions, and then obviously make commission and, you know, make money.
I like that. I think that's huge, but I think also when people hear that like, oh, well, I can't just spam my link anywhere, then I don't want to do it, right? Because it actually takes time and effort and like a business mindset to build a brand. But again, being able to live in like a $3 million house up in the hills isn't something that everyone else is doing. So if you want to live like the 1%, then you want to make sure that you're, in a sense, effort and best practices and habits in a sense then align with, you know, being a part of that 1%. So how can they connect with you?
Yeah, so basically you guys can check out my YouTube channel. I have a ton of videos on affiliate marketing. It's pretty much all I do on my channel. So you guys can start there. That basically will teach you a lot of like the fundamentals and kind of my philosophy, because not all affiliates are the same. There's a lot of affiliates out there that really focus on like just like paid traffic and just, you know, kind of like going after stuff like leads. But I go more so for like big ticket, like high ticket affiliate marketing, because I'd rather get like a sale and then make like $100 or $150 per sale than like make like $1 or $5 for every email. You know what I mean? Like that's just me. And I don't like to really, I like big like sort of like profit margins and ROI. So I don't really want to spend a lot just to make a little bit more and then have a profit margin of like 10-20%. You know, so that's like my system. You guys can learn more about that, and you guys can check out my website odiproductions.com if you want to dive in deeper. I have some free training on affiliate marketing so you can learn the basics and the fundamentals.
Sweet. So I'm going to put 3 links. I'm going to put his YouTube channel. That's going to be the first link in the description. Second link is going to be odiproductions.com, which they can get access to the free training, and then the third link can be his Instagram, so you guys can check out all his nice things and get inspired to be the best that you can be. So really do appreciate your time. Thank you again, Odie. Hope you guys liked this video. Let me know in the comments section what you guys would like to see, and maybe we should do a little house tour. Hey, might not.
I'm down.
Yeah. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.